guys, Eric here. Thanks again as always for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and content just like this. So today we're just going to show you how to use Clickbank and how to use Clickbank the right way if you are going to be advertising a product in a blog. So I've got a guitar website and I'm interested in anything related to guitar and Clickbank, but specifically a guitar ebook. I'm just looking for something simple, and this is for illustration purposes to write in the form of a blog. So I haven't actually started a blog yet, and I'll show you that in a second, how we're going to do that. This is the product, but if you're in the marketplace, you can go ahead and search specifically for keywords here. So if I just want to search for guitar, I can. Let's just say guitar, search, and it'll tell you all the results that'll pop up. 1 out of 10 on this page, out of 45, but maybe I just want to look at all 50. Or 45 here with 50 as a result here. So this will give you 45. Where was it at? Let me scroll down. There it is right here. Learning to play the guitar, an absolute beginner guide ebook. Now, if I want, I can go to the affiliate page where I can have some options here, and it will give me options to use, say, for instance, banners and things of that sort. However, I'm not really concerned with that right now. I just want to show you real quickly how you get the link itself and how it works. All right, so what I'm going to do is click on promote, and in here this is where you're going to be able to generate your hop link, and your hop link is what you're going to use to advertise it, to get the credit for it. So we can go ahead and click this here and copy that. Let's go ahead and create a post, add new. This is my first blog post on this site here, though. So we're just going to call it Guitar Book
for the absolute beginner.
Publish. Now I've got this hop link on me here, but what I want to do first is I actually want to take, just for sake of clarity and time, here is my post. Let's go back.
And let's see, let's go ahead, bring in a section.
I'm going to take a snippet of this picture here. And we are going to put it right below the text. And there is the text for the blog. Here is the picture, and we want to just align it to the left maybe. And there's a couple things we can do with the hop link. So we can actually go ahead and put the link on the picture. So if they click on it, they'll be redirected to the actual offer. So let's put the link there. Update. And let's take a look at it here and see how it works. So they come to this page. They'll see the image. If they click on it, they're redirected. And this is where the offer is, right? And you can tell it's my hop link because my name is right there. So your name should be in there, the name that you're using for Clickbank. Let's go back to the post. And we're going to edit with Elementor. Now what you might want to do is actually have a, click here type link, which you can do as well. So not just clicking on the picture and being redirected. Let me show you how to do that. So I might say for more information. So now I've got, for more information about this awesome book, click here. So let's say, for instance, you want a hyperlink attached to the click here if they do click there. We can go ahead and highlight that. And we can go ahead and you'll see it up here, right there, insert edit link, paste the hop link, apply, and you'll see it even changed a different color. Let's update it. View it on the page. and you'll see they can, for more information about this awesome book, click here, and again, they will be redirected. So those are two different ways that you can actually utilize a hop link. Hope that helps, guys. See you real soon.